Hello, my friends. I'm Lisa. Welcome to my miniature house.
Great!
Woo-hoo-hoo! Amazing!
Excellent!
Oh, wow!
I'm hungry, Lisa. Do you anything to eat?
Today, I will make a McDonald's store. I hope you like it. Woo-hoo-hoo! First, make the kitchen cabinet. Apply glue to the cardboard. Combine the cardboard pieces.
Oh, wow!
Make the countertop. Woo-hoo-hoo! Make the soda machine. Fanta, Sprite, Coca-Cola.
Great!
Water faucet. We need a gas stove. Trim the edges neatly. White border. Done! A gas stove is complete. Make the hamburger. Flatten the clay. Cut the clay into a square shape. French fries. Menu.
Wow!
Amazing! Make the table. Add 2 chair legs.
Wow!
Make the chair. Draw a bear on the cardboard. Cut according to the drawing. Apply glue. Add cotton on top and wrap fabric around. Add the chair legs. So beautiful! Don't cry. I'll give you a hamburger and fries. Ta-da! Woohoo! Make a hamburger model from clay. Flatten the clay with hard plastic. Continue to flatten the clay. Shape the lettuce from clay. Amazing! Make the merry-go-round. Woo-hoo-hoo!
I want to ride the Ferris wheel.
I want to ride the Ferris wheel. Woo-hoo-hoo! Ta-da! Slide. Ew!
Oh, wow, wee!
McDonald's.
Whoa!
Great! The house is complete.
Have a good, my friend. I love you so much. I want to ride the Ferris wheel. I'm hungry, Lisa. Do you anything to eat?